Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today we're going to make our DIY Dollar Tree name wreath. There's probably a way to explain it, but my brain is not working right now. Anyways, watch the video and I'll show you how to make it. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button right over here and the bell, so that way you can get notified when I post videos. So we'll see you guys. Okay guys, so to make our floral letter wreath, you're gonna need that wooden wreath maker thing. Again, I don't know what you call that thing. And then you're gonna need purple flowers or your own color. And then you're gonna need a cutter. You're gonna cut the flowers really short, really short. And so you're gonna do that to all of them. And you also need a glue gun in order for you to put them all together. So a glue gun is really important for this assignment. I don't think any other glue would work. It would just take a long time, but I'll recommend getting yourself a glue gun. Then after you're done cutting, make sure you open the flowers to give you a little bit of volume when you're ready to glue them. And so after you're done, pick one flower and add some glue to it and stick it onto the wreath thing. Again, I don't know what the thing is called. Oh my gosh. Press it down, look at the bottom, and make sure you add some glue just to, be sure that it actually sticks so that it doesn't fall off. And then you're going to continue doing that to all of your flowers. And so after you're done with the other step, I ran out of purple flowers, and so I decided to add some white flowers, some daisies. I believe they're daisies. And I was trying to figure out where exactly to put them. And I was trying to fill up the spacings. I ended up only using 2 instead of 3, and I added roses, white roses, to the rest. But you can kind of play around with it with different flowers that you want to add. The end product doesn't look exactly like that. I have a picture for you guys, but you can go ahead and add, and if it doesn't work out, you're always welcome to take them out. So this is what it looks like right now after I added my white roses to it. I didn't like how it looked because it wasn't as full as I wanted it to be. So I grabbed a couple of my Christmas decoration in the color kind of light purple, pink, and added around it. And to make our letter name board, I got this board from Dollar Tree as well. It looked like that, and so I'm going to paint that. So I'm going to mix the black acrylic paint with white, and I didn't record all of the steps I did here, so I'll just explain it to you guys. You can choose and do it whichever way you want, but at the moment I kind of decided to do something different. So after I painted it with the black, I added a little bit of the white, and then after that I found a chalk paint that I had a while back. I painted it over the board, and it gave me that gray looking color that I wanted, and that's kind of what I ended up with, and I'll show you guys a picture of it right here. I really hope you guys like this project, and I'll see you guys on our next video. Bye!